We're here with Kyle Hines from redhoops.gr. Now, after the semi-final, I ask you if after the semi-final you're gonna believe that everything is done and you're not gonna show the commitment you need to show on the final. And a lot of people said, "Come on, man!" From every player of Olympiacos, you go and ask Kyle Hines that. Do you think there is one player that I could have asked that question, or is it something out of the question?
Out of the question, rather. Our team is, as you can see from our team throughout the season. I mean, we're built for these type of situations. The character of our team, the personality of our team, we're able to kind of withstand these type of situations. And I think we're definitely prepared for this. And we're a type of team we never necessarily rest on our laurels. We're never going to sit there and be satisfied. We're a very, very hungry team. No matter what the situation is, no matter what, we're going to continue to go out and fight and continue to play hard.
Is Real the team you wanted to face on the final, or you had no preferences? Just bring me anyone.
I had no preferences. I mean, it's the Final Four, so anybody you face is going to be difficult. Anybody you face is going to have a difficult challenge. It's going to be a difficult game. So I think for us, I mean, the biggest thing for us was that it was more important what we're going to do and how we're going to come out and how we approach the game. And I think for us, that's the biggest key. If we approach the game the right way and if we come out and we fight and we be aggressive and we play with a lot of passion and a lot of heart, then we'll have opportunities to win.
Perfect. Thanks.